Beloved soul, have you ever felt that no matter how much light you carry within, one person's presence suddenly makes you feel drained? Have you noticed how a single toxic comment or a single negative mood can disturb the peace of an entire family? It happens silently, like a shadow, entering your home. But here is the truth. You are not powerless. You can protect yourself. You can protect your family. You can live in light, even when surrounded by darkness. And in this journey together, I will guide you step by step. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Paramahansa Yogananda, to block negative people, to shield your family, and to stay deeply connected with the divine. Before we begin, if you are new here, welcome to Inner Divine. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below sharing your own experience, because your story may inspire someone across the world. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale peace. Exhale heaviness. And let us begin. Understanding negativity. Negative people exist everywhere. At work, in families, in friendships, even online. Yogananda once said, "Environment is stronger than willpower." If you allow yourself to live constantly surrounded by negative influences, they will shape your mind. They will shape your emotions. They will shape your energy. But remember, you are not a victim. You can choose your environment. You can build a wall of divine protection around yourself and your loved ones. Just as we lock the doors of our homes at night, we must also lock the gates of our hearts and minds. Negative people drain you because they feed on fear, on anger, on gossip, and on doubt. But when you stay rooted in inner stillness, they lose their power over you. Step 1. Awareness. The first step to blocking negativity is awareness. Notice how you feel after being around someone. If you always feel heavy, tired, restless, or anxious after meeting them, that is a sign. Yogananda said, "Thoughts are universally, not individually rooted." This means, someone's restless vibrations can enter your mental space without you realizing it. So pay attention. Keep a mental journal of how your energy changes. Did a coworker's complaint leave you irritated? Did a family member's anger linger in your chest for hours? Did social media scrolling leave you feeling drained instead of inspired? Awareness itself is protection. Because once you see it clearly, you can choose differently. Take a breath now, and silently affirm, "I am aware. I recognize negativity. I choose light." Step 2. Boundaries. The second step is boundaries. Many people feel guilty for saying no. But beloved soul, protecting your family is an act of love. You are not rejecting people. You are rejecting their negative energy. Say it gently but firmly. "I cannot continue this conversation. I need some space right now." Or simply, walk away. Boundaries are not walls of fear. They are shields of wisdom. Yogananda taught, "Live in the consciousness of God's presence, and no negativity can touch you." When you carry divine presence in your heart, you carry a spiritual armor. Each morning, before leaving your home, close your eyes and affirm silently, "I am surrounded by the light of God. No darkness can enter me. No negativity can touch my family. We are safe, we are strong, we are divine." Say it with feeling, and you will notice the change. Step 3. Redirect energy. Negative people thrive when you react. If they provoke you and you fight back, they win. Instead, redirect the energy. Smile softly. Change the topic. Or simply remain silent. Your silence will disturb their negativity more than your anger ever could. Yogananda said, "Remain calm, serene, always in command of yourself. You will then find out how easy it is to get along." Take a breath. Imagine yourself standing tall, calm, unshaken. No matter who stands before you. Guided visualization. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine your family sitting together, inside a golden circle of light. This light is warm, peaceful, unbreakable. Outside the circle, you may see shadows. People who try to disturb your peace. But no matter how hard they try, their energy cannot cross the golden light. With every breath, the light grows stronger. Your family feels safe. You feel safe. Silently repeat. We are protected. We are in the light. Step 4, protect your home. Your home should be a sanctuary. Play uplifting music, chants, or the vibration of Aum. Open your windows, let sunlight cleanse the rooms. Keep flowers or plants, they carry healing vibrations. Every time your family gathers, speak words of love and encouragement. Remember, words are energy. A single uplifting word can erase hours of negativity. Step 5, inner detachment. Sometimes, you cannot avoid negative people. Maybe they are coworkers, relatives, or even neighbors. Practice inner detachment. Imagine their words bouncing off your shield of light. You are listening, but you are not absorbing. You are present, but you are not affected. Yogananda said, "Be calmly active, and actively calm." Repeat silently. I am calm. I am strong. I live in the light of God. No negativity can touch me. My family is safe. We are divinely protected. Step 6, teach your family. Blocking negative people is not just your job. Teach your children. Not every friend is true. Gossip is poison. Silence is stronger than argument. When the whole family learns to recognize negativity, your home becomes a fortress of light. And beloved soul, if this wisdom is guiding you, take a moment to subscribe to Inner Divine. And in the comments, share what practice helps you keep your home in light. Deep meditation practice. Close your eyes again. See yourself in the center of your home. From your heart, golden light spreads into every room, every corner. It expands to cover your entire family. Shadows may gather outside, but they cannot cross the threshold. Repeat. This home is a temple of peace. Only love may enter. Only light may remain. Step 7, chanting. Yogananda said, chanting is half the battle. Chanting divine names, or Aum, creates a shield of sound. Each evening, sit with your family. Close your eyes. Softly chant together. Aum. 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 Let the vibration fill your home, like a wave of light. Step 8, limit media negativity. Negativity also enters through screens. Avoid fear-based news, avoid toxic media. Fill your home with uplifting books, talks, and music. Breathing practice. Let us breathe together. Inhale for 4 counts, light entering. Hold for 4 counts, light expanding. Exhale for 6 counts, heaviness leaving. Repeat slowly, 5 times. Feel your energy purifying with every cycle. Step 9, positive company. Surround yourself with uplifting souls. As Yogananda said, keep the company of saints, and you will become saintly. Your family's future is shaped by the company you keep. Close your eyes. See a brilliant white light above your head. It flows down, surrounding your body and your family. This shield is unbreakable. Repeat silently. I am surrounded by divine light. My family is surrounded by divine light. We are protected. We are safe. Beloved soul, life will always bring challenges. People will carry their pain. But you now have the tools: awareness, boundaries, meditation, chanting, affirmation, and divine presence. You are no longer at the mercy of negativity. You are a guardian of peace. You are the protector of your family's light. Yogananda said. Stand unshaken amidst the crash of breaking worlds. There, nothing can disturb you. Before we close, I invite you. Subscribe to Inner Divine. Leave a comment, sharing how you protect your family from negativity. Together, we are building a global family of light. And remember, you are stronger than you know. Stay in peace. Stay in love. Stay in divine light.